Let's practice. About something you have done multiple times. I have called him twice today. He has checked his email multiple times this morning. I have watched this movie 5 times. She has visited the museum several times. We have eaten at this restaurant 3 times this month. They have played football together many times. We have attended that concert every year since 2015. About a life experience you've had. I have seen the Northern Lights. We have met some famous actors at the film festival. They have climbed the highest mountain in Europe. She has worked in 5 different countries. He has won an award for his artwork. I have written a book about my travels. She has participated in a marathon before. About something you haven't done yet. We haven't finished the project yet. He hasn't visited Italy yet. I haven't learned how to drive yet. We haven't met the new neighbors yet. They haven't moved to their new house yet. I haven't tried scuba diving yet. She hasn't seen that new movie yet.